He's scared. They can't do nothing to you, baby. They're more scared of you than you are them. Look, 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 look. See how he don't want to grab it because he's scared? Here. Here, baby. Here, Summer. Break it into pieces and throw it. Here, you can take off your gloves. You don't need your gloves. You're not getting touched by them. Here. Break it into pieces and throw it. Better. Roll with your eyes. You alright? Alright. He ain't gonna touch you, baby. I told you, he's scared of you. Stop running from them. They just stop. I told you they're not gonna do nothing to you. Look, look, look. I'll step in front of them. What are you scared of?
Those things.
They're not gonna. They're not gonna do nothing to you. They're not dinosaurs.